Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Today we're going to take a look at the newer model of the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Corner Cat finish sander. This particular model is the PCL416B. Comes with everything you see here. This is the tool only. Make sure you read through the owner's manual to find out about any cautions or warnings, and make sure you know how to use it. A starter kit of 3 different grit of sandpaper: 240, 120, and 60. This particular model states that it's a 50% reduction in vibration. One of the things I want to check out is to see if they fixed how difficult it is to actually remove the battery from the P401 that I use. And here's the P401, so they're the same size. Problem I have with this is removal of the battery, and it is really difficult. And when I've tried to put in anything higher than a 1.5 amp battery, it's like prying it out. And multiple ones of these. I've got one here at my shop, and we're going to take this new PCL416B for a test run here in a second. A couple of things that I like is on the old one, the on-off switch is a push switch. On this particular new model, the on-off is on the front, and I like that much better. A lot of times when I'm holding the P401, I can actually, my hand gets in the way and I can actually turn it off while I'm operating it, so it'd be nice to actually have that. So we're going to check it out. First things first is I will show you with the P401, taking a battery and putting it in, snaps in hard, but when you're getting it out, it takes a lot of pressure. And so the ones I have here, I have 4 of these at school, Pathway School in the engineering and woodworking department where I teach. And the students actually have problems getting them out. And sometimes if they put a bigger battery in, like a 3 amp or a 6 amp battery, it takes a while to pry. So now let's try this out with the new one and see how easy. Snaps in easy, comes out easy. So they've actually fixed that finally. So I like it already. So let's go ahead and we'll put some sandpaper on. Line up the holes for the dust removal. Hold that in. Let's give it a try and see how it sounds, and see if we've got a good reduction in vibration. And it does. That's fantastic. So let's take it out into the shop and we'll give it a shot and try it out on some rough lumber out there and see what we get. So we're out in the shop and let's give it a try, and we're going to do a comparison between this new model of PCL416B and my original P401. Turn this on, give it a shot. 401. There's 50% reduction in vibration is true. This one is a lot rougher and there's a lot of vibration. So some nice improvements. So I really like this one, but I'm going to keep my original, and we'll just keep working away with them. And always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.